Tip 1. Save refrigerator space. Eggs purchased at the supermarket often come in large paper or plastic cartons. When you bring them home and put them in the refrigerator, the cartons take up too much space, sometimes not fitting in the compartment or requiring you to remove other items to make room. So, how can you store eggs for a long time without wasting space? The solution is very simple. If it's a paper tray, just prepare a knife. Cut the tray into smaller sections depending on the space available in the refrigerator. You can divide it into trays for 4, 5, or 6 eggs. After cutting, simply arrange these smaller egg trays into the remaining spaces neatly, making it easy to retrieve eggs when needed. The result is a tidier refrigerator, eggs that stay in place. Tip 2. Tofu with eggs. When you buy tofu from the supermarket, pour out all the water it's soaked in so that the tofu is drier. Then gently remove the tofu and place it on a cutting board. Use a knife to cut the tofu into small, pea-sized pieces. Cutting it small from the start makes it easier to mash later, ensuring the tofu is evenly crumbled without needing to apply much force. This also helps the mixture blend faster and smoother when combined with other ingredients. Once chopped, place all the tofu in a glass bowl. Next, crack 3 eggs into the center of the bowl. Then use a spoon or fork to gently mash the tofu, ensuring the eggs are evenly mixed and absorbed into each piece. Mash until the mixture becomes soft and smooth, with the tofu and eggs well combined. No need to mash it too finely. Prepare 1 carrot, washed and peeled. Cut into trees parts, keeping doys parts. Slice them lengthwise into thin strips. Cutting the carrots into strips like this will help them cook faster and make the dish look more appealing. Once sliced, place all the carrots in a separate glass bowl, ready for the next steps. Next, prepare the broccoli. First, separate the broccoli into bite-sized florets. Do not cut them too large as they will take longer to cook, nor too small to avoid them becoming mushy. It's wonderful that we are connected from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, prepare 2 green onions. Wash the green onions, trim off the roots and any wilted leaves, then chop finely. Place the chopped green onions in a separate bowl to use in the final step, which will enhance the aroma and appearance of the dish. Pour the egg-mixed tofu into the bowl containing the carrots and broccoli. Use a fork to mix them together. Grate about 100 grams of cheese. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Finally, use a spoon to mix all the ingredients together until the seasoning and cheese are evenly distributed and the ingredients are well blended. Place the pan on the stove, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the cooking oil evenly over the surface of the pan. When the oil begins to heat up, pour the entire mixture from the bowl into the pan, then use a spoon or spatula to spread it evenly so that the mixture covers the entire surface of the pan. At this step, reduce the heat to medium-low. Do not let the heat get too high, because the mixture can easily burn on the bottom while the inside is not yet cooked. Close the lid, leave the pan undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, sprinkle the remaining cheese evenly over the surface. Cover the pan and continue cooking over low heat for another 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is completely melted and the inside is thoroughly cooked. When the cheese is soft and begins to stretch slightly, the dish is almost ready. Once the cheese has completely melted, turn off the heat and let it sit for about 1 minute to stabilize. Lift the pan and carefully slide the dish onto a plate, or place the plate over the pan and flip it over to keep the beautiful round shape intact. The dish is ready. When you taste it, you'll feel the soft, stringy cheese blended with the smooth tofu and crispy, sweet vegetables. So, we've covered 2 simple but very useful tips for everyday life. Which tip do you like better? Or have you tried making this tofu and egg dish yet? Leave a comment and share your thoughts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it to support me and see more great tips. Thank you for watching.